So I hope you really get busy implementing some of these ideas and build the business of your dreams. By the way, I haven't introduced myself. I am Judette Coward, but hey, I am anything but coward. In reality, I am just a girl who lives on a tiny, beautiful island in the Caribbean with dreams as big and deep as the oceans that I am surrounded by. I am also a producer, a writer, a content creator, a digital entrepreneur, and a business strategist. People say I dress weird, I'm way too bubbly, so be warned that if I meet you, I'd probably give you a hug. I also break into funky dances at unexpected moments, and yeah, I like kind of keeping things light. But hey, I just think we would all be happier if we danced more and laughed more at ourselves, like really loudly. As a child, my dad always allowed me to explore and dream as big as I could. And when I was 28, my university professor said I was talented enough to dance to the beat of my own drum. And you know what? I did. So I quit my job as a TV reporter and producer, and with no money at all, I started my own PR company, which I grew into a really successful joint. And then, at the height of its success, I wanted to dance again. And so I left all of that success behind and I restarted. I founded Forward 40, a lifestyle blog, and then later Forward 40 Digital, a digital media agency serving brands. And now the Content Creators Club, a membership site where I help female-led businesses and boss babes grow thriving brands online. Professor Moore, Daddy, do you see? I'm doing it. I know I have something special to offer you, something you need, because I needed it. When I started out, I needed images of people who looked like me to fill my feed. I needed images of the region that reflected the space I was creating content from. I became tired of looking for those images to use because you know what? I could never find them. I wanted to fill that need, and I did. So these days, I get to stay all day long in my PJs with a great hat, of course, and with my tiny team to photograph, write, develop Caribbean-inspired content and digital strategies. I'm doing all this because people believed in me, and this allowed me to believe in myself. And now I am passing on what my dad and my professor taught me. Do you. Find your passion and then align your passion with your actions and your intentions, and then use all of that in the service of others. So what do you get by us being online friends? Well, I post weekly videos full of business tips and social media marketing advice. And of course, I also post Caribbean-inspired images and flat lays, customizable captions, social media calendars and plans, which you can find on our membership site. More importantly, by us being online friends, I hope you develop the chutzpah and the confidence to share your talents and gifts with the world as you build the business of your dreams. I love you being here and I appreciate you. Now, don't forget, leave a comment so I can say hi to each of you personally. Thank you.